What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Meech. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change out your temperature coolant sensor in a 2010 Chevy Impala. I think it's the same procedure for 2006 to 2013. And this is what I'm going to be needing today. The actual temperature coolant sensor. I got another connector because I accidentally broke this piece off. The older connector, it was just old, so I had to get another one. Got some waterproof butt connectors, and you're gonna need a 19mm or 3/4 wrench, preferably stubby, because the space to get to the sensor is tight as hell. This was a full wrench, but I had this cut today, just so I can make it stubby to get to the sensor. I tried finding the 3/4 gear wrench. A lot of places said they were in stock or whatever, but when I got there, they weren't. We don't have it in stock. We can order it for you. Like, no, I need it today. But yeah, man. So this was another option. This is actually cut by a tool machine, so I mean the edges are beveled and stuff, so it's not sharp. And this is what happens, or what you see. This was only like 20 something bucks, like 26, 27 bucks. So I want to try this route first. The hardest part about this job was getting the gear wrench, or the wrench in my case, but it works just as well as a gear wrench if it's stubby. So yeah, let me show you where this the sensor is. Now we'll start by saying that you could take the mounts off to get to the sensor easier, but I'm not really trying to do that. It's an easier way to get to the sensor from the back side of the engine. The sensor is the front of the hood, the front of the engine or whatever. The sensor is right there, and this actually connects to the sensor right here. But if you go behind, you can actually get to it right there, versus taking all of this off. That's where the stubby wrench comes into play, because when I bought it, the longer wrench, and tried the longer wrench, I kept hitting this, and it locked onto the bolt, but I couldn't even turn it. So that's why you need a stubby wrench. I'm gonna try for the first time to try to get back there with this. I don't have that's the new one. I'm just gonna see how easier it is to get to it than the longer wrench. Damn it. See, that's why I got this. Something told me yesterday to get this. I should have had them cut it a little bit longer. That bitch is too short. But I got it. I broke it loose right there. So it helps, but just know that if you do cut your wrench, make it a little bit longer. This is a Duralast, so you can see it's at the ST. Make it last. So I got it on. As you can see, I ain't gonna lie, it took a minute. I ended up cutting that wrench too short. If it was a little bit longer, I probably would have got done a little bit faster, but it is what it is. It worked. It's in there. Yeah, once I took that sensor out, the older one out, it did start leaking shit everywhere. But yeah, it was leaking and stuff. The video I seen said it was antifreeze, so that's what I went with. Got some more Dex Cool 50/50. We'll see what's going on after I change this connector right here. So I'm gonna go get the stuff for this and I'll be back. It's the connector, and it was inside of the sensor like this. The tab was on the front, so you want to make sure when you put the sensor, well, when you wire the sensor up, it wants to be in the same configuration as the older. And like I said, this other one, it had a purple piece on it. I accidentally broke it off when I was trying to get the old sensor off, so I had to get another one. So it looks like the yellow wire is going on the left side, and the orange and black wire is going on the right side. So that's how we're gonna do it. Yellow on the left, orange on the right. Don't know if this varies from car to car, but this was a 16 gauge wire. It's for your information. So I'm pretty sure this one may be a 16 gauge also. All right, got the wire connector set up. It's the top of it. If you follow the left, it does go to the yellow. Orange goes to the right. Grab the torch real quick. Heat it up. That's how it turned out. On there tight. About to put it back on the sensor. And I did see a couple videos where they was like, disconnect the battery and reconnect the battery so it can read the new sensor connector or whatever. But I'm gonna try it without doing all that first and see what happens. I'm gonna crank it up and see what's going on. I don't need that. And it's still doing it. What? So maybe I need to unhook the battery and hook it back up, probably. Womp womp. Alright, y'all, so I did unhook my battery and hook it back up. It hasn't popped up yet. But let's see. Check engine light went off. And I got cold air. Yes, sir. Unhook your battery, hook it back up, and I guess it'll pick up the new sensor. check engine light went off. You see it moved up a little bit from the all the way being all the way cold. I'm just excited, y'all. Dude told me to come back if it wasn't blowing right. I'm not gonna give them no more money. Like, I go the first round, you know what I'm saying, to get a little gist of what's going on. And then once you throw me a phone or a hint or whatever, I go YouTube or do whatever. Find out the rest on my own. Man, my junk is blowing cold. It's been about an hour since I fixed the temperature sensor. I drove it to get me something to eat, and you can see, like I said, check engine light is still off, and the temperature gauge actually moved up like halfway. It wasn't stuck on cold anymore. Well, it's not stuck on cold anymore. So if this video helped you out a little bit, I guess hit that thumbs up button.